Hey guys, so I got this speaker for my mom. I got it because of the LED lights, and it has so many like stuff. Like it has for aux, it has for a mic, it has an equalizer, it even has for FM radio, like, which is pretty nice. And this is exactly what I needed for my mom, and it's pretty loud too. And yeah, it's a very nice speaker. You could also set it like this, and yeah, this is perfect because she likes to listen to music a lot. And yeah, let me show you guys how it sounds. So this is gonna be the loudest setting.
So with it, cause me know I'm be alone. This a different kind of image, me never really fall. Swerve and a dip, swerve and a dip. Girl, turn your body, me never heard nobody. And girl, personally, yeah, I be curved.
And then I like it because you can volume it down right here.
And
And then it has the equalizer. You can press it right here, so it can sound different.
Big grip, I say you go on, say you go on, say you go on. But girl, come back for the back shot. Two and twist, or you down for the action. I say you nah, miss me no need no reaction. Watch it, me have a jelly for your belly, but me never want swelly. Yeah, the fuck too hot, coulda done a New Delhi. Yeah, you like this, fuck that's cool. Get ready for your mask, get up on your mask, get don't stop. Say you love a fuck.
And then you could also turn off the LED lights. You could like customize them too, so you could also turn them off and just put different ones. So that's pretty cool. And off, so that's pretty nice. And it also has to connect a TF card right here on the back, a SD card, a USB. You could connect also aux, type C cable, and you can also connect the microphone right here. So like if you want to do karaoke, this is pretty nice. So guys, if you guys are interested in getting the speaker, it's gonna be right here. It's a pretty good size and it's really loud, and I love that you could customize the equalizer. And yeah,